What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you all are having a super fantastic day. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm going to make this video real short and sweet and straight to the point. I just want to tell all of you who are making your way towards the top of the totem pole and climbing up the mountain of success, and you're getting achievement after achievement, accomplishment after accomplishment, goal after goal, like you're hitting all these pinnacles. Be careful on how you treat people on your way up. Right? Because some of you are getting way too cocky, talking about being self-made, acting like you ain't never had no support, you ain't never had nobody help you get to the point that you're at. You feel like you don't have to help nobody. You feel like you don't have to be generous and grateful at all because you're just on this road to success. I'm telling you, be careful how you treat people, man, because those same people that you treated like crap on the way up, when you come down from that mountain, because everything that goes up has to come down at some point. You might be on top for a while, but at some point you're gonna come down. You're gonna have to see those same people on the way down. And you might need some help on the way down. You might need some sort of support on the way down. And you're gonna be looking to those family members that you treated bad. You're gonna be looking at those friends that you treated bad. Be like, hey, yo, like, what's up? You remember me? Like, we ain't spoken in a while. They're gonna be like, oh yeah, I remember how you treated me back then. So, I don't want nothing to do with you. And that all stems from how you treated them from the beginning, when you was on your way to the top. We've all heard the phrase, it's lonely at the top. Any type of support, any type of help that you can get on the way up, you're gonna need it. So do right by people, and all of that will come back to you. I promise you, and I guarantee you that. Y'all need to stop acting like you're the hottest thing since sliced bread, and you don't think that you have to help people. You don't think that you have to be grateful anymore. The goal is not to be the only one that's successful. The goal is to try your best to bring as many people along as you can. Now, of course, not everybody's gonna be able to grow with you. Not everybody's gonna be able to climb up that mountain with you, and that's okay. But if you have an opportunity to bring somebody along, bring them along. When you think about it, there's not as many successful people as there should be. There should be a whole lot more in the world, but there's only a small percentage of people who are actually successful, who are actually wealthy, who are actually considered to be at the top of their game. And there should be more people up there. And one of the biggest reasons why there aren't many people up there is because there's so many people who are so consumed with success. They're backstabbing this person. They're talking bad about this person. They're leaving these people on the back burner. And although it might have helped them to get to this short-term success, what they're unaware of is they're gonna have to meet those people on the way back down at some point. And it's not gonna be so pretty. So keep that in your mind. On your way to the top, be grateful, help as many people as possible, and stay humble. As fast as you're getting it right now, it can leave even quicker at a snap of a finger. But if you don't believe me, keep playing with it. Keep doing what you've been doing. Keep acting as cocky as you've been acting. Keep acting the way you've been acting towards all these other people. I don't know if life is all about how successful one person can get. Maybe life is all about being successful and then bringing along as many people as possible. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think.